The big screen admin area is for administering an organisation. This includes basic setup as well as adding lyrics, videos and images. Log into the admin area with your admin username and password. On the left is the menu for the different sections. The organisation section is for updating your account information and payment details. Please note the control surface will use the CCLI number entered here when displaying lyrics. Encoding profiles allows you to customize the resolution and quality of your uploaded videos. All videos that are uploaded to big screen are recompressed to ensure they play back correctly. You can create as many encoding profiles as you require, and it's recommended to create a profile that matches the dimensions of all the master front ends that you will be using. There is no need to create a profile for each location if the outputs will be the same size, as multiple locations can use the same encoding profile. For the bitrate option, we recommend around 5000 for 720p and around 8000 for 1080p. The themes section allows you to customize your location theme. There are lots of options to customize, such as background, logo, lyrics, and Bible scriptures. There's also a preview area so you can get an idea of how your theme will look. You can edit themes easily by simply clicking on them, and if you want to make a copy, right-click and click on Duplicate. There is no limit to how many themes you can have, and once you're happy with the settings, you can apply it to your location. The location section allows you to create new locations and edit existing locations. You can change details such as password, encoding profile, and theme. The song section allows you to add songs to your organisation. To manually type in a song, click Add Song and fill in the details. To add the lyrics, break each part of the song into sections and add labels, as this will help your users on the control surface. You can also import song select text files by clicking on the upload button and selecting the file. Videos and images are very similar. Click Add up the top and choose your file. By default, videos and images will expire after 1 week. Toggle the expiry checkbox if you want your media to stick around indefinitely. The purpose of media allows you to specify where the media will be used. General videos are usually videos that you want to play from start to finish. Logos are used when you click on the logo button in the control surface. Background videos are used for backgrounds behind lyrics and sequence slides, or for your theme background. Select which locations has access to the media and then click Upload. The media will be added to a queue to be processed. Once it's done, it will be available in the control surface. If you want to remove a video or image, you can right-click on the item in the grid and select Delete. The Bibles area allows you to purchase licenses to translations that aren't public domain. Click on the checkbox for the location you want to add the Bible to and click Update Bibles. Your organisation payment details will be used to pay for the translation. Thanks so much for watching this video. We hope you love using big screen. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know.